Anyway, right. What was the sudden loud cave stream sound? Okay. I'll tell you guys.
What are your goals?
I was to make the cave stream more authentic. I was playing like 1 hour of silence, occasionally interrupted by Minecraft cave sounds. Now, before playing this this audio, I did not listen to the entire hour of the video. I didn't think I need to, so I sincerely apologize for that. And I just had it playing, and then apparently at one point in the video they decided to just bass boost and just clip the ever-living shit out of one of the sound effects, which scared me as well as you guys. I actually muted the sound halfway through the sound effect because it was a shock, really. Yeah.
You should definitely watch some scary movies with me sometime.
Oh, that'd be sick. Oh, we can't do that because that's not how copyright works. Never mind. Fuck. That would have been cool, though. You know what I mean? Maybe on Discord.
Yes, I think I do.